Now whose sign is my hand? Who's this? I've put on the new uniform. 哇，你切得好好。This is so easy. What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Today I have a new identity. Follow me. So now we're ready. I've put on the new uniform. Look, this is the front. We have the logo, and in the back we also have logo. This is a standard size. Soon we'll put it on sale. And here is our neon sign workshop. Now, what I hold in my hand are acrylic backplates cut using cutting acrylic machine. These prepared acrylic backplate are ready to have LED light strips installed on them here. These are CNC machine finished grooves, and later we'll put LED inside. 帅哥你好，我今天来体验一下怎么做这个霓虹灯。可以啊。好，你可以。
这边是工具，然后直接把那个硅胶条按进去，然后切角。
切角，然后按进去。对。你可以切一下这个给我看一下吗？
切斜角。是，可以。拿个刀。
好，拿这个刀切斜角。
看这个角多大嘛？哦。在板上切，板上啊。
好，我先瞄一下先。这样差不多就这样子。
对。
然后把它按进去。
对。
在这里这样子下去，是切了一半位置下去吗？
可以。
一半是吧？就这里是吧？
对。
然后拿这个丢掉，然后这样折过来，哇，这样算是很轻松哦。那把它按下去，按死它。对。那这里呢？
这里的圆角刀。
圆角刀是吧？
对着这个这里一个。
对着头这里啊。
可以了。
好，然后就把它塞进去，对吧？easy。那这个我来自己弄。这就是我的挑战任务，来切个圆角，先这样，然后这样。这是圆角，这是直角啊，可以吧？
完美。
好。看一下我们这个做的怎么样。So after installing the light strips, the most crucial step is quality inspection. 好，帅哥，你觉得这个可以过质检吗？
过不了。
这过不了质检，为什么？这个涂哪些位置有什么讲究吗？
就是切口。
切口，这里是吧？可以。好。
看一下有没有划痕这些。
可以了哈，好，我跟他说是我做的啊。好。One of the most valuable positions in a sign company is quality inspector. Our QC will check all order details of each order before we pack the sign. They can inspect the quantity and thickness of acrylic, they'll inspect the power supply, and they'll inspect the grade of stainless steel. I bet you hear that a lot in my videos. Today, you will meet our QC. Before packing your logo, we'll take photo of your confirmation first and then clean it thoroughly to ensure that you receive the logo qualified quality. This is so easy. 先扯出来，然后把这个放进去，盖上去是吧？ 好的，好，谢谢你。Now whose sign is my hand? Who's this? You will soon get your neon sign, and this is our packaging area. Our technician will carefully pack your signs and put it into the cardboard box. So this is all for today's work as a neon sign workshop employee. After watching this video, you will find how to find your sign company is trustworthy. See you next time.